breaking news coming in from Karnataka. This is regarding the murder case involving actor Darshan. The focus is on the future of Darshan's movies. The Karnataka Film Chamber is set to discuss this issue. The Kannada Producers Council Chief Exclusive Council rules out ban on Darshan's movies. He said producers are already invested a lot of money in his movies and they will decide when the court order is out. Remember, actor Darshan was arrested on the 11th of June in this murder case.
So just wanted an official statement from you. As far as the producers of Sandalwood is concerned, what decision have you taken because of what's happened in the Darshan case?
Bas, today we have a meeting at Mother Body.
Okay.
That is Film Chamber of Commerce.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
There are all the sector committee members are there.
Right.
And as well as past presidents and DC members.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever the decision they will take, that we have to maintain everyone.
Okay. So right now, what will be taken up here? Because Darshan has already been picked up. He is now in police custody, and now there are many pending films as well that Darshan has taken up. Whether all this as well will be discussed. If you could take us through what will be discussed.
No, boss, we have to think about those producers also because they have already invested crores.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever the decision will come out today, after that we have to think and we have to solve the problems. And moreover, that its case is in at court.
Yeah.
It will become subjudiciary.
Mm-hmm. No, but considering, the gravity of this crime and, how heinous it was, the act in itself, will there be a consideration to probably ban Darshan? Is that something that will be considered?
No, boss, we can't take any decision at present scenario. Okay?
Okay.
After finishing the judiciary inquiry, then only we have to take the decision. Okay.
So you'll wait for the courts to decide and then take a decision on the ban.
We have to wait.
Okay. So what will be the decision that will be taken this evening, sir?
No, nothing. We have to think because all seniors are there.
Yeah.
And past presidents are there.
Yeah.
And what are all the things will come out. We have to think it and we have to take the decision.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank you.
All right, my colleague Deepak is in fact joining us on the phone line with more on this. Deepak, a lot of questions being raised on Darshan's future in movies, but the filmmakers clearly waiting for the order of the court. As far as the probe is concerned, where has that reached, and what sort of speculation, what sort of talks are going on in the film industry regarding the future of Darshan now?
Well, as we just heard that conversation, he confirms that this evening at 4:30, the film chamber will be meeting several of the office bearers, the president, the former presidents, and some important people from the industry will all be there because this is a big superstar that we're talking about. And there are multiple projects that are currently, which have already been taken up by Darshan. Shooting, of course, has been halted midway. This would also mean huge losses to, several people, in the industry. And this is not just Darshan that we're talking about. So what will be the route map in the coming days? Because he may continue to be in prison. He may not be able to shoot. That is something that's going to be point number one that they're going to consider. When I asked him a direct question of whether they're going to contemplate a ban, considering the antecedents of this actor who was arrested earlier for domestic violence, there is of course the forest department looking into whether he had smuggled tiger claws. Now there is of course a case of murder that's being leveled upon him and he's being investigated in the same. They say there's a ban in itself is not being considered and they will wait for the court order to really come in on the matter.